Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our scroll gestures using UiScrollable series, in this video we'll see how to perform scrolling to beginning by using UiScrollable Class. Okay, so if you see this code, okay, I am using scroll to beginning method to scroll to the beginning of the scrollable layout element. Okay, and n is number of scrolls here. Okay. Yeah, so first of all we will discuss the functionality we need to automate. Okay, I have to open the API demos app, click on views, then I have to click on list, then I have to click on selection mode. Okay, once this scroll is displayed, I need to go to the end. Okay, so this is the end of the scroll. Okay, and then I need to come back to the beginning of the scroll element. Okay, so this is the functionality we need to automate. Okay, so write a code for this one. So I quickly open the Eclipse and create one class. So we'll name as class as scroll to beginning demo. Okay, and already I created a sample class for the setup and tear down. I just copy this one so that I can save the time. I do some modifications. I remove this package and I need to change the class name. So our tear down and setup is done. So in capabilities I have provided the platform name, automation name and device name. Okay, now I create a method public void test1 and I assign the annotation test of 10 days test ng. Okay, now I need to open the API demos app. Driver dot find element appium by dot accessibility ID and I need to click on the views. Okay, so I say dot click. Okay, see, then click. Then I need to do a simple scroll for searching list. Then I have to click on list here. Yeah, so already I have a code for doing a simple scroll and I have explained about the simple scroll functionality in my video as a part of this series. So I provide the icons on the right top corner. So click on that one and you can go to the video how we can able to simple scroll. Okay, I copy this one. For simple scroll it is, so that it will go to the list. Okay, in the text I need to provide the list here. Okay, so I am searching, I am scrolling based upon this text. Okay, my simple scroll is done here, so I need to click on this list. So I have to provide the locator value list. Okay, after going to list I need to click on this selector mode, selection mode here. Okay, selection mode I need to click. So this locator value is 15 space selection mode. Okay, once clicking on here, so my scrollable element displayed here. So I need to scroll to the, first of all, see, I want to scroll to beginning, right? First of all I need to scroll to the down. Okay, once it is scrolling down I need to perform scrolling to beginning. Okay, this function I have to provide. Okay, if I directly come here there is no upward scroll, right? So what I need to do, I need to write a code so that it go first down the end, then it has to come on beginning. So I write a code here, driver dot find element. So regarding this scrolling to end, already I made a video. So I provide this icon on the right top corner. Click on that one and watch that video. Okay. So for this video, I'm writing the code to scroll to down Appium by accessibility ID. So it is Android UI automator. So I write the code here. So bracket new UI scrollable, okay, brackets new UI selector and bracket dot scrollable true, okay, and okay, then here I need to provide dot scroll to end. So this method I had to use, and number of scrolls I need to provide. I say 50. It is lengthiest scroll, right? 50 I need to provide here. So by using this functionality, what it will do? It will scroll to the end. Okay, it will scroll to the end. Okay, now I need to scroll back to the beginning. So this is all about this video, right? So I need to scroll to the beginning. So already we have seen the method we need to use, that is to scroll to beginning. Okay. So I open the Eclipse here. So I add the code here. So same code, instead of scroll to end, I need to add the scroll to beginning. Okay. So here I write to test.sleep so that we can discuss the code here, and you can see the effect also. Test.sleep just for 2 seconds. So it will stop scrolling there on the down at the end, then it scroll to beginning. So I just need to add scroll to end, remove this end, and I say beginning. That's it. Okay. So I provide number of scrolls here. Okay. Just we'll check it out. UI scrollable. Okay. Yes. So scroll to end, it will go to scroll to the end of the scroll, and then it has to come back to the beginning here. Okay. Now my Appium server is running, my emulator. Now I'll just close this app. Okay, I'll run this code. My Appium server is running. Cannot locate the, I think, okay, I not provided, I not open the API demos app, right? I forgot that one. Okay, I need to use this one. So I need to open the API demos app. Okay, so for that one I had to use driver.activate app. Then I need to provide the package name. So I'm not opening the app itself here, so that's why it failed. So I need to provide the package name. So the code I written is driver.activate app, means it will open the API demos app, and I provided the package name here. Based upon this, it opened the API demos app. So once again I will click on this one. Now it has to open the API demos app. You can see the code also here. You can see the run. Yeah. So click on views, then it is going simple scroll to find the list. Click on list, then click on selection mode. Then it has to see, now I have given to scroll to end. So it is going scroll to end. So it is scrolling to end of this scrolling element here. Okay. Then it has to scroll back to the beginning. So number of scrolls I provide 50 here means, so it is lengthy scroll. So it has to scroll for 50 means the one scroll view is, see, you can able to see here the for scrolling for some time it is pause for few seconds. That is one view. That is one view. Okay, you can able to observe in my emulator here. So it is stopping for one or 2 seconds here. That is known as one view. So here 50 means it will scroll to the end. Okay, by 50 views here, scroll views, because it is lengthy scroll, so taking this much time. It's scrolling to the end. Once it reaches the end, okay, it has to scroll to the beginning. With lengthy scroll options here, so it takes sometimes. Once it reaches to the end of the scroll, so this is a code it's running now. So it wait for 2 seconds and it will scroll to the beginning. Yeah. Okay, I think some problem with this code. I will check it out. Why it is failed here. A small typo error. So once again, once run this test. Small typo I have had in my code. So we need to follow this case sensitive here and the naming also of this method. Okay, that's why it failed. It is scrolling to the end. So we had to follow the same pattern here. See, new UI scrollable brackets, new UI selector dot scrollable true dot scroll to end. The same thing I need to follow for the scroll to beginning here. So any small change in this code, it fails. You can see here, you can have the uppercase yes and lowercase yes here. So lowercase yes here, same thing. If you miss something, it will fail. So we need to be very careful about the case sensitive here. So now it is scrolling to the end. As I told, the scroll view, okay, so you can see here the left side or in right side, it is stopping for one second here. What is one view? Okay, so I mentioned a 50, right? So it will try for 50 views to reach the end. So it is very lengthy scroll, right? So based upon our scrolling, we need to provide this value here, in value here. Almost reached the end. Now it has to go to the beginning. Was for 2 seconds. Now it is going to the scroll to the beginning. So in our UI scrollable class, we have a lot of other methods which can be used to scroll to a simple scroll. So number of scrolls, okay, to verify the lengthy scrolls, horizontal, vertical scrolls. So all I have discussed in this series, okay, please go to the videos, so you can become a master in the UI scrollable class. Now it is scrolling to the beginning. So it is executing this line of code. The beginning of the scroll layout element here. Okay, yes, it reached the beginning, so it went to the end and then it came back to the beginning. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel to keep learning and happy learning. Bye.